Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to check in online on KLM. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course Google and type in klm.com. After that you just need to go and log into your account or register to KLM if you already don't have an account of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the home, you have your trips, check-in, information, and in the top right corner, of course, you have the language changer, and there you can go and log in, and in the middle, you can go and book a flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and check in online on KLM. So, guys, it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So, firstly, when you're here on the website in the home page, you need to go and on this tab here, you have the, as you can see, third tab, which is the check-in tab, and you just need to go and click on that. Now, here you have the option ready to check in. You can check in any time from 30 hours before your flight departure, 24 hours for flights to or from the United States. So please select how you would like to go check in. You can check in with your account. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free account and enjoy all benefits. As I told you, you can go and sign up by clicking here or check in with booking details. If you have, of course, any problems, you have, of course, the support that can always go and help you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.